create a graph using Google Drive, start by logging into Drive and then click on Create and then Spreadsheet. The first thing I should always do when working with documents is to name them. So I'm going to click on Untitled Spreadsheet at the top left and then rename it. Right. The first column is always the x-axis, and the second column is always relating to the y-axis. So for today my graph is about reasons why people don't have internet at home. So I'm going to put the reasons in first. They are going to go on the x-axis, and the value, so the thing that I'm measuring, that goes on the y-axis. So 45, 35, 15, 5 and 1. Right. At the top of my table, so this is the table, at the top of that I should put in the names of each axis. So the x-axis is going to be called reasons and the y-axis is called percentages. Right, next thing I do is I highlight this and I click on Insert and Chart. In this case I want a bar graph because I want the thing I'm measuring on the y-axis on the left, and I would like the reasons on the x-axis down here. So you have the option of saying use row 1 as headers, and I'm going to click on Insert. So at the moment you can see that the axes haven't been labeled. By including these here, it tells Google that I actually do want labels for them, and so it gives us the option of then going to edit it by clicking on it. So I can now change these reasons, percentage, right? So I press enter to apply, and this one is called, and enter to apply. Right, the next thing I need to do is give it a really good title. And I press enter and that will apply. We don't usually use a key, so I can edit it if I want to change it, or I can clear it to remove it completely. And just like that, I've produced my graph.